Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the second day of my shaved hair journey. So the hair on the left hand side of my hair, it has calmed down a lot, so it's not really sticking out so much compared to yesterday. So you can see what the haircut looks like. So that's my right hand side, and this is the left hand side, and here's the back. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove the bulkiness from this left hand side, because I just think that it needs to have more texture and needs to be lighter on this side. So first I'm going to section the hair. Take that much first. And I'm going to do point cutting. And then take another section. And then get the rest out of the way. Combing the section straight up. Okay, now next section, combing the hair straight up again. So this is what it looks like when the fringe is in the front. And next I'm going to tidy up around the ear area. So I'm going to put the longer hair in a little bun. So I'm going to tidy up around the ear area just using a pair of scissors. And I've just accidentally cut into my right ear. Can you see that? It's bleeding a little bit. Oh. I'm going to switch to this mini shaver because it might be easier to get into the back. While my hair is up, I think I'm going to point cut into it just to give it a little bit of texture and also to remove the bulk. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to color my hair. You see these orange bits here? This was the result of some balayage highlights that I did a few days ago. So some of the highlights actually got pretty close to the head. So now I'm going to color it with this Napro palette in dark brown, because I want the shorter hair to be darker. So I'm only using half of the hair color because I don't think the short hair will need much. So here's the mix. Okay, so I'm putting a towel over my shoulder so that the hair color doesn't get into my skin and my clothes. Now I'm ready to color those orange bits in the back. Okay, I think I have done coloring. This is what it looks like. I might have some staining there on my neck because I think I put too much of the color way down. So I'm supposed to leave this for half an hour to 45 minutes and then we'll come back after that. Okay guys, now I'm back. Well, I have showered and washed my hair, of course. Okay, let's see what this hair looks like wet. And then here's the back. I'm going to quickly put some makeup on, and then after that I'm going to attempt to style this hair, this short hair, for the first time. Alright guys, this makeup look is now complete. It took me about maybe 1.5 hours to do this makeup, and now I'm going to style the hair. We'll see what happens. Now, first off, I've never actually had hair this short before, so I am not sure how to style it, but let's try this one first. Some mousse from Herbal Essence. Shake, shake, shake. Maybe about that much, I'm not sure. And then I'm going to blow dry this. So I'm just putting some earrings on just to complete the look. Just tuck this hair to the back. So I guess this is look number 1. I'll just finish it off with this hairspray. And I'll just finish it off with this hairspray. Here's the back. And if I bring the fringe hair over to the front, it's gonna look like. That's kind of fun. Okay, for the next look, I'm going to use some modeling wax. I just bought this today from Countdown. I have never used this before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Say rub a small amount between your fingertips or palms and work into dry or damp hair from roots to tips. Sculpt and accentuate individual strands. Maybe that much. Rub from roots to tips. Okay, I think I need more. It smells kind of nice. More. Okay, perhaps like this. Just gonna put a bit more just to flatten the side here. Also on this side. Just flatten the hair. So perhaps like this. Just put some on the back maybe. We'll see what the back looks like now. Okay, I guess that concludes my second day with this new haircut, which I did myself yesterday. Tell me what you guys think in the comment below. And yeah, hopefully I'll do another update of this haircut, perhaps in a month's time. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon. Bye.